Hi there! In this first lesson, I will talk about how to search for references to achieve our final project. In this case, the first page I visit is Pinterest. I'm looking for images in line with our projects. For example, I can look for the structure, the hamburger. Even though the project is a bit low poly, I can start thinking about how do I want my project to look like. Here we have another image that is more about the structure appearance. What I like about this one is the color, the hue of its colors. I love the blue part with some orange and yellow, and also I like the minimalist objects in here. In this, I'm looking for a reference in terms of illumination, how they reflect things to create my material in Cinema 4D. Well, this is just looking for references. I always keep my board active so I can refer to every project. In the next platform, Dribble, I will be looking for GIFs and animated designs, either 2D or 3D. In any case, I'm looking for animated references to get some inspiration and decide what I can do in my project. Yeah, it's just to get some inspiration. Just to finish, what I do is having in mind our references and refine our search. I go to Photoshop and there I create a board with my own references. That is, I download a couple of images and see why we have left them here. The first one is because of the materialization and the color it has. I like it very much. It has good brightness. This one was because of the color I was talking about before, and every one of these for the structure. Thus, I always refer to this board when I'm working on the project to achieve a design like this. Well, see you in the next video. Bye!